Another day, another story. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can do a wide variety of things. Here are 10 things that you can do with ChatGPT. 1. ChatGPT is an AI language model designed to converse with humans. 1. Its primary purpose is to provide a chat interface where users can ask it various questions. 1. ChatGPT is capable of providing informative and helpful responses to a wide range of topics, leveraging its vast knowledge base. 1. It is an ideal tool for those seeking a conversational experience that offers quick answers and explanations to their queries. 1. In summary, ChatGPT is an advanced conversational tool that enables users to have natural language interactions and gain valuable insights. 2. ChatGPT can provide writing assistance to users who are facing difficulties with their writing tasks. It can offer suggestions for synonyms, rephrase sentences, and even generate entire paragraphs based on the input provided. This makes ChatGPT a valuable tool for those who are looking to enhance their writing skills or overcome writer's block. With its advanced language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can identify and correct grammatical errors, making the writing process smoother and more efficient. By leveraging ChatGPT's writing assistance features, users can save time and effort while improving the quality of their written work. 3. ChatGPT is capable of language translation, allowing users to convert text from one language to another. Users can specify the input language and the target language, and ChatGPT will automatically provide the translated output. This feature is beneficial for those who need to communicate with individuals who speak different languages. ChatGPT's language translation capability is powered by its sophisticated natural language processing algorithms, making it a reliable and accurate tool for language translation. With ChatGPT, users can easily communicate with people from different parts of the world without the need for human translation services. 4. ChatGPT can assist users with their spelling and grammar by providing suggestions and corrections. Users can input their text, and ChatGPT will identify any spelling and grammar errors and suggest corrections. This feature is helpful for those who want to ensure their written work is free of errors before submission. ChatGPT's spell-checking capability is powered by its advanced language processing algorithms, making it a reliable tool for identifying and correcting mistakes. With ChatGPT, users can improve the accuracy and professionalism of their written work. 5. ChatGPT has a vast knowledge base that allows it to provide answers to questions on a wide range of topics. Users can ask ChatGPT anything, and it will leverage its extensive knowledge base to provide accurate and informative responses. This feature makes ChatGPT an ideal tool for those seeking quick answers to their queries. With ChatGPT's access to a wide array of information, users can gain valuable insights and knowledge on various topics. ChatGPT's knowledge base is constantly updated, ensuring that it provides the most relevant and up-to-date information to its users. 6. ChatGPT can make personalized recommendations based on user preferences. Users can input their interests, and ChatGPT will leverage its recommender system to suggest products, movies, books, or other relevant items. This feature is beneficial for those seeking personalized recommendations that match their preferences. ChatGPT's recommender system is powered by its advanced machine learning algorithms, which analyze user input to provide accurate and relevant recommendations. With ChatGPT, users can discover new products, movies, books, and more that align with their interests and preferences. 7. ChatGPT can simulate conversations with different personalities, providing users with an entertaining and interactive experience. Users can choose from a range of personality types, including friendly, witty, and professional, to match their conversational preferences. This feature is beneficial for those seeking a conversational experience that is both fun and engaging. ChatGPT's personality chat capability is powered by its sophisticated natural language processing algorithms, making it a reliable tool for simulating human-like conversations. With ChatGPT, users can enjoy personalized and entertaining conversations that match their conversational preferences. 8. ChatGPT can serve as a learning tool by providing quick answers and explanations on a wide range of topics. Users can ask ChatGPT questions, and it will leverage its vast knowledge base to provide informative responses. This feature is beneficial for those seeking to gain knowledge and insights on various subjects quickly. ChatGPT's learning tool capability is powered by its advanced natural language processing algorithms, making it a reliable and efficient tool for learning. With ChatGPT, users can enhance their knowledge and understanding of various subjects in a convenient and accessible way. 9. ChatGPT can generate writing prompts to help writers get inspired and overcome writer's block. Users can ask ChatGPT for writing prompts, and it will provide them with creative and thought-provoking prompts to jump-start their writing process. This feature is beneficial for writers seeking to develop new ideas and concepts for their writing projects. ChatGPT's writing prompt capability is powered by its advanced natural language processing algorithms, making it a reliable tool for generating unique and engaging writing prompts. With ChatGPT, writers can spark their creativity and explore new ideas for their writing projects. 10. ChatGPT can be trained to play simple games and respond to player moves, making it an ideal opponent for games such as chess or checkers. This feature is beneficial for those seeking a challenging opponent for their games. ChatGPT's game AI capability is powered by its advanced machine learning algorithms, which enable it to learn from player moves and make strategic decisions accordingly. With ChatGPT, users can enjoy engaging and challenging games that push their strategic thinking skills to the limit.